बार
यस मैम, कर दिया चालू। मैम मैं यही हूँ।
Listen me. Okay. Today I am taking topic global warming. You know, greenhouse effect. You know, greenhouse effect caused by the greenhouse gases. What are the example of greenhouse gases? Anybody else? Give me answer. Give me the name of greenhouse gases.
CO2,
Yeah.
CH4,
methane, CFC, carbon dioxide,
NO2.
Chlorofluorocarbon compounds. Okay, you are right. CO2, CH4, CFC, yani chlorofluorocarbon compound, all are included in the greenhouse gases. You know, due to the greenhouse gases, Earth temperature continuously rises. When the Earth temperature rises, glaciers start melting and ocean water level increase. This is called the global warming. What is the global warming? Again, I am taking the gradual continuous increase in average temperature of surface of the earth. As a result, increase in concentration of greenhouse gases and earth temperature is rise, glaciers start melting. This is called the global warming. Now, beta, listen me. What are the causes of global warming? So, clear? The global warming is also caused due to the greenhouse gases. Listen me. Effects. What are the effects of global warming? First effect, the temperature of the earth has increased by 0.6 degrees Celsius in last 3 decades. What is the effect? The first effect, the temperature of the earth has increased in 0.6 degree Celsius in last 3 decades, which will lead to change in precipitation. First major impact. And the second is rise in temperature lead to deleterious changes in environment. What is that? Harmful changes, deleterious changes in environment, and this is called the El Nino effect. In board, 1 marks question. What is El Nino effect? The rise in temperature lead to deleterious change in environment and cause changes in environment. That changes are called the El Nino effect. Okay, listen me. When the temperature is rise, what happen? Already I taught you. Glaciers start melting, ocean water level increase, and जो coastal area submerged in water. These all are the effects of global warming. Listen me, the another effects of the global warming. What is better? Are you getting my point? The increase in number of weed, yani weed production increase, means the weed growth increase in the presence of the higher temperature. Due to the higher temperature, weed growth is increased. And next, eruptions of disease and pest. Eruption of disease and pest means the disease causing organisms are increase in number, insects are increase in number, and cause the different types of the disease in plant and animal. So when they cause the disease in the plant, our production is decreased. Okay, any doubt you can ask me question. This is the global warming.
Ma'am, El Nino effect.
El Nino effect. El Nino effect क्या होगा? Rise in temperature leads to deleterious change in environment. Okay, resulting in odd climatic condition. Odd climate change result in odd climate change. Yani the deleterious change in environment. These all are called the El Nino effect. Yani, for example, the rainy season is changed. Generally, the rain come in the last week of May or June, July, but the before time come. That is due to the change in environment. This is the El Nino effect. Okay, and the winter come before, yeah, more cold, yeah. These all are the changes. Yani odd climatic changes. Any odd climatic changes. Generally, the rainy season come after the in particular season, the winter in a particular season, but by the global warming, by the greenhouse effect, what happened? the odd climatic changes take place, and that is called the deleterious change in environment. This is called the El Nino effect. Okay. Now I'm taking control of global warming. How can we control the global warming? First, by the afforestation. How can we control better? By afforestation. And now the question is arise. What is afforestation? Yes, what is afforestation? Anybody else give me answer?
Plantation.
Plantation is called the afforestation. Second point, reduce deforestation. Second point, reduce deforestation. What is deforestation, beta?
Cutting of
Cutting
plants.
down.
Yes. And the third point, control human being population. Because when our population continuously increase, what happened? We require the more house, we require the more food. For all, environment is disturbed. Okay. And more industries is also required. So what? How can we control the global warming? After controlling human populations. Now the next, reduction of emission of greenhouse gases. Greenhouse gases, when we stop, automatically global warming greenhouse effect is stopped. You know, the greenhouse gases, yani CO2, when we plant the more tree, CO2 level automatically decrease. Chlorofluorocarbon compounds used in AC and refrigerator industries. When we utilize HFC, what happened? The releasing of the CFCs decrease. CFC is decrease. Okay. Now the next, cutting down. Yani when we use the fossil fuel, the greenhouse effect is caused, global warming is caused. So we will use other source of the energy. We will use the other source of energy. We will use eco-friendly source of energy. For example, LPG. Okay, CNG in vehicles. So automatically the greenhouse gases level is decreased. Now next, improving efficiency of energy uses. When we increase our efficiency in energy uses, we can also stop global warming. We can also control on global warming. Yes, you have any doubt, you can ask me question. Yes, any doubt? Now I am taking next, that is called the ozone depletion, beta. What is that? Ozone depletion. You know what is the formula of ozone? Yes, what is the formula of ozone?
O3.
O3. Yes, ozone formula is O3. O3 means ozone is formed by the three oxygen atom. Three oxygen atom joined together form ozone. Two type of ozone present in the atmosphere. The one is called the bad ozone. What is that? Bad ozone. Where bad ozone is present, beta? Present in troposphere. Where bad ozone is present? Bad ozone is present in troposphere. Okay. And that ozone is harmful for plant and animal and human being. Okay. Second type of ozone is called the good ozone. Good ozone, where good ozone is present? Good ozone present in stratosphere. And why it is good, beta? Because stratosphere ozone absorb ultraviolet ray coming from the sun and protect us from the ultraviolet rays. So it is called the good ozone present in the stratosphere. And now the question is arise, how ozone is formed in atmosphere? You know how ozone is formed in the atmosphere? Listen. In atmosphere, the ozone is a natural gas every time continuously formed and break down in oxygen. That processes continuously, but in control way. You know, in atmosphere, ultraviolet rays are present. So what happened? In the presence of ultraviolet ray, oxygen combine with O and form the ozone. O2 plus O form ozone. Second, you know, ultraviolet ray also break down the oxygen. Oxygen break down into the O plus O. And yani means in the atmosphere, ozone is formed by the ultraviolet ray. Second, during the thundering, when large amount of heat is produced. During thundering, when large amount of heat is produced, on that time, O2 combined with O and form the ozone. During thundering, large amount of heat is released and O2 combined with O and from the ozone. Okay, yani ozone is formed by the lightning and second it is formed by the ultraviolet ray. But beta, the ozone is also break down by the ultraviolet ray. In atmosphere, O3 in the presence of ultraviolet ray break down into O2 plus O. Okay, and again join in the presence of ultraviolet ray and from O2 plus O is equal to O3. But it is in a controlled way. So the ozone layer continuously present on the earth. Okay, this is the formation of the ozone. Yes, now I am taking, what is that? What is the ozone depletions? Due to the chlorofluorocarbon compound. You know chlorofluorocarbon compound. Where from the chlorofluorocarbon compound release? Chlorofluorocarbon compound released from the refrigerator industries, AC industries, in refrigerator and in AC industries used. The chlorofluorocarbon compounds are used because these chemicals are stable, not poisonous, no side effects. But when these chlorofluorocarbon compounds are released in the atmosphere, deplete ozone, break down ozone, and that is called the ozone depletion. What is that? That deplete ozone, break down ozone, and this is called the ozone depletion. But how it is possible? Chlorofluorocarbon compound come in the stratosphere. When chlorofluorocarbon compound come in the stratosphere, what happened, beta? Listen me. The chlorofluorocarbon compound from which ultraviolet ray come, ultraviolet ray break down chlorine and fluorine and carbon. Yani chlorine is separated from the chlorofluorocarbon compound. That chlorine combined with ozone and from the monochlorine ClO. What is formed? ClO. ClO is formed, and that ClO combined with oxygen O, it combined with O atom and form the again chlorine and O2. That process is continuously. Again chlorine combined with ozone and break down the ozone. So what happened? That deplete ozone, break down the ozone, and this is called the ozone depletion. Mainly ozone depletion is take place mainly found in Antarctica. In Antarctica, why it is take place? Because the low temperature is there. That is favorable for, because the chlorine is work as a catalyst in these reactions. It combined with the ozones and break down the ozone. Or you know, in Antarctica area, polar stratospheric clouds are present. Polar stratospheric clouds present. These polar stratospheric clouds are help in breakdown of the ozones. Okay, and the low temperature work as a catalyst. That's why the low temperature is there. That's why the polar stratospheric clouds are formed in more amount, and chlorine is joined with the ozone and break down the ozone layer. Okay, now with the help of the diagram, I'm going to explain you with the help of this equation. Look here. Back side camera दिख रहा है क्या बेटा?
No, ma'am.
Now visible?
No, ma'am. Yes,
Video
ma'am.
दिख गया? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now listen. Now I am taking here equation. Again, I am going to explain you. What is that? This one is the equation. What is that? How the ozone is formed in the atmosphere. Or full diagram is visible? Yes, listen me.
Blurred आ रहा है.
Blurred आ रहा है. Wait. Now it is visible?
No, ma'am.
मैम ब्लर ही आ रहा है अभी भी.
Now, बेटा आज इसमें मेरे को कैमरा भी नहीं दिख रहा है, मींस कुछ प्रॉब्लम है, समथिंग प्रॉब्लम इज देयर. अब आ रहा है?
No, ma'am.
मैम ऐसे का वैसे ही आ रहा है.
Blurred ही आ रहा है.
Just a minute, wait. Now, blur है?
यस मैम ब्लडी है।
एक मिनट बेटा। नाउ इट इज क्लियर।
नो मैम।
लाइट और जला दिया मैंने तब भी नहीं हुआ। नाउ इट इज क्लियर।
नो
Now?
मैम ब्लडी आ रहा है मैम।
Now it is visible. Yes.
मैं ऊपर दिख रहा है।
दिख रहा है?
ऊपर दिख रहा है।
Send me.
ऊपर फ्रंट कैमरा ऑन है।
आप दिख रहा है?
मैम नहीं दीवार दिख रही है।
आज ये कैमरे को क्या हो गया पता नहीं। Now it is visible.
नो मैम।
आप
ब्लडी है
रिकॉर्डिंग
मैम।
हाँ ब्लरी है।
ब्लडी है।
रिकॉर्डिंग ऑफ करते बेटा रुको।